I remember the days when I was transferred from corporate regulatory affairs to plant to look after plant compliance in the plant, and it was so far from the corporate. The life was very tough, and specifically the decisions which I was supposed to take, they were very critical and of very high level, and it was having a lot of risk in those decisions. In case if I will take the wrong decisions, then it may impact the progress of the company, or it may go in favor of company, or it may go against the company. So that tension and criticality was involved in those decisions. And I was really, those days I was at very junior level, but I was so that's why I was so stressed for taking those decisions, and it was not possible always, or it was not possible that every time I will go and ask to my seniors, right? So those days I remember, but yes, those tough days are the reason of my success in today's life, which I am living the life of today, right? And that is the base of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance also, which is bestseller on Amazon, and it has added a lot of value in my career and in my life, and not only in my life, but also it has added a lot of value to other people's life and career also, right? So decisions are very critical, and in fact decisions are very important. As previously also I said you that our decision decide the destiny, and whatever decisions we are making today, they are going to decide the destiny of our life. Okay, so welcome to this 90 days challenge of learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. And in these 90 days we are discussing very critical points and critical elements which play a very significant role in quality and compliance. And these all discussions are going to help you taking the decision in right direction. So do not miss any of the session, and if possible go and revisit the old sessions which I have discussed, right? So many of your decisions will get the direction if you will listen to my discussions. Okay, so I have tried to add a lot of value in your career and in your life. And if you are working in the pharmaceutical industry, irrespective of any department you are working, you must listen to all these learnings which I am sharing with you. And not only these 90 days learning, but also whatever content I am sharing on my different social media platform, these content are very important and critical. These may seem simple, but these are going to play a very crucial role in your success. Okay, so today is day 42 of 90 days learning challenge. Okay, so today also I have brought few things for you for the learning. And this thing is that whether you have thought that whether you can extend the retest date of API you are manufacturing. So whether you have thought of that, it is possible that after few years you realize that your API shelf life must be more than whatever you are giving, or API's retest period must be extended, right? Or expiry date must be extended. Now, so question arises that whether it is acceptable to extend the retest date of API. So let me share with you that if you are extending the retest date or retest period of the API, you must have a very strong scientific data with you. You must have strong stability studies and results available with you which can justify that you can extend the retest period of the API. Okay, so without scientific data or without the strong backup justification, it is not acceptable to extend the retest date of any API. But yes, with strong data, scientific data and studies, tests and results, it is possible that you can extend the retest date or retest period of API. Okay, so now next thing is that whether the API you are testing, means stability study you are doing with some specific analytical method. Now you want to change the stability testing analytical method because your current test method is revised due to some reason, XYZ reason. Okay, so whether you should test the stability samples with revised testing method, or you must use the old method. So let me share with you that whatever method you are using to test your stability sample, first thing, it must be validated and it must be stability indicating, and it depends on you that how you will justify using another method for testing the stability samples. But the method must be validated and you must have again scientific data available with you that if you will test the stability samples, it is not going to have the impact on the results. Means previous method and this current method, both methods are equivalent, and whatever results you will be getting after testing with this new method are accurate, and these exactly give the same result as the previous method, test method. Okay, so you will have to do the analytical method validation, and you must have the strong data in favor of your decision, and overall decision depends on you that with which method you are going to analyze the stability samples. Okay, so these were today's learning, but yes, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I will share my another video full of learning to all of you. And yes, remember this, that decisions decide the destiny, not only in the personal life but also in the professional life. And all these 90 days challenge or whatever learnings I am sharing with you based on my experience and knowledge, these are going to play a very important role in your decision making, and unconsciously you will become that you won't even imagine in your dreams. Okay, but yes, do not forget to apply these knowledge on your manufacturing side. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye. Thank you so much.